Whip. Perfect. Perfect. We should be live. Yeah, there are a lot of files. Basically it's the repo where I put all my code, like the mono repo. And then I have a submodule for the engine kind of core. Yes. Let's do that. Routine. I think with this setup, the thing is I cannot see what you're doing, so I let you create the stuff. Oh yeah, I see it. Then I will rename Ronimate C to Ronimate test.c. It will be our game. Yeah, but I mean it's a game that uses Ronimate. So maybe test is not the best. Okay. Oops. What's up? Aha. That's okay, that's okay. Maybe we need your build script at least as a reference. No? Okay. Okay. Array, lib, and what's the other? Okay. Okay, I see. Oh yeah, the OpenGL style. Okay, I see. Hotkey tool is what you showed with the hotkey showing on the screen directly. Okay. Okay. Can I somehow follow you on the with live thing? Yes. Okay, I'm following you. Probably. Yep. Okay. In the problems tab, okay. So we need to include it in some compilation unit. So I think I will just put it in demo, okay? What was the raw animate game? And it's called, so it's in the folder. And there is a .c. Okay. Now we have the problems in the problems tab. First one is cast to character from smaller integer type int. Oh, my warnings are set up pretty aggressive. So maybe... okay, got it. Malloc or otherwise arenas, but I think for this one we can just go for malloc. I could wrap it maybe to track them, but didn't do it yet. And when you save, normally it should recompile. Okay, the error is gone, and we don't have... unless you just leak it. Okay, the Collie freeze the... okay. 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 So to draw text, there is a function called draw text, and the font is the default one. Maybe we can just use this. I do have a question. would it make sense to try to first integrate the playback of the animation and then use the files that you created for your game in here? Mm-hmm. But maybe it's best to do it all at once, or indeed, indeed. I was also thinking about something like this. Like for example, a color struct in Raylib is probably the same as in my engine, I would guess. You can include rdx.h, and it will include a bunch of basic stuff. Yes. Or vector 4, I think, vec4. Yeah. Aha, okay, well, then, yes, yes. Nice. Guess we could type def it as well. Don't know exactly what's the difference. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Oh, I know this one. It's a weird rule in C. You have to put an expression after a label, and not a variable declaration. And so if you put a semicolon like this, it works. Maybe I should check my compiler options to be less pedantic or more modern version of C. I'm not sure. Mm-hmm. It's funny, I don't see the copilot suggestion, but I just see you auto-completing. Oh yeah. Maybe I can do this part. Ah, okay, okay. I see. Little compatibility layer that might come in handy. Uh, we can see after. I just have a couple of defines of my own or an enum. Okay. Right, and when it compiles, maybe I can try to fill in the blanks as quick as possible. Yeah, technically it will compile, but not link, I suppose. Hmm. Huh? But what does the V stand for if it's not vertical? Ah, okay. Okay. Slow but steady progress. Or not slow actually, but yeah. Yes. Called rect. RDX rect. All right. I guess the members of the rectangle are probably not named the same. If you know what I mean. It's the same? Ah, yeah, the layout is the same, but not the names. But maybe we can just copy paste the rectangle struct from Raylib or just replicate it and then cast it when necessary. Sounds good. Wait, when we fix some errors, more pop up? There is a limit to the errors, maybe? I forgot about that. I don't recall putting a limit, but yes, that's possible. I'll check while you continue. Exactly. Too many errors emitted. Stopping now. Yeah, okay. So there is a default limit. I'll set it a little higher so we can see. It's nice that we can work at the same time on the... Yeah, go ahead. Okay, trying out. 0 up. I guess it works. We have 13 errors left. "14 errors left, no. Well, actually, Eike, why don't we just copy paste the whole header section of Raylib? Ah, okay. Maybe a bit much. But that's actually something we could do. Like if we don't want to, we could like take the header and then implement only the functionalities, like the functions that we need. I didn't think about it before. What a shame. Nice. Mm-hmm. Aha. Sounds useful. I don't have that, but maybe we implement it. Mm-hmm. Okay. That's your utilities? Or mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, yeah. Okay. I see. That's not a problem. We can just implement a very simple version for our purposes that just returns the enum value, like the enum member name, I guess. All right. Yay! Just linker. Right. It doesn't say which one because I think we have to click here and then we see. Yeah. Uh, okay. I'm also up to implement them because since I know the engine, I should be fast. But maybe try a couple of one, couple. Yeah, maybe. Mm-mm. I follow you, but I don't see more than the code. Ah, okay. Let's see. Ah, yeah, I see you now. Again. Mm-hmm. No, absolutely not. No, so I guess it doesn't. Maybe it doesn't see the whole repo, perhaps. Okay. Then I suggest I take over the coding for a little bit. Okay, let's start with those up. So draw text eggs. I guess eggs means like it has more parameters extra. Then we can just discard the fonts. We need to include, include, yeah, this draw text, and I used the third one. I still haven't fixed that. Um, we draw at a position, okay. And I guess the position is the top left of the text bit. Okay, I think I still have text at pause. Yeah, it's called old. I should clean it up. Position. And so this is a vector too, but it's defined as a, okay, that should be okay. And then we have UFT string, so text, and then we have a font, so get default fonts. Then we have a size, we can just pass through the font size. And a selection state can stay at 0 because we don't want to select it, I don't think. And the color needs to be converted, right? So the color in this case is uint RGBA, okay. So I guess we can just have a util function that converts. I think I have color. Yeah, we can. Yeah, okay, okay, sounds great. Okay, let's parallelize. But then I need to call it, so I'll let you fill in this. I'll let you fill in this. Okay, then measuring text. Oh, my cursor just moved, and I. What the heck? What the heck? Oh no. Should we try just a little bit more? It seems like it should be possible. Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah. Okay, so measure text, so measure text, and then maybe the font will be the default font, get default. And the size is still the same, font size. Whoop. Okay, then we need to okay. I think it's pretty cool that we can work at the same time. That's that's a strange but nice experience. Sweet. You can just push and okay. Beepity. Key pressed. Do you know what key enum, like what key numbers they use? Is it like the same as GLFL? GLFW, I mean? Because then it should be compatible. Let's see. Key. Mm-hmm. Totally. Little test. Great. Bum, bum. Do you know if is key up means it just released, or no, it means it's not down, I guess. So it's just the inverse of is down. Sorry, yeah. Sorry, I cut you. I think we should be good. I think we should be good. Boop, 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 boop. Okay. I see, okay. Is down. Then it's actually quite cool that then in theory I can take any Raylib, not any, but yeah, it's a compatibility layer with Raylib. Kind of fun. Great. Scroll. Screen rect. Do you have any more glitches, or is it good now? Same, I got a couple of glitches, but nothing too bad. Check collision. Google Docs manages to do it, so why not? Yeah. Do you know how check collision point rect works? It's just, yeah, if the point is indirect. Okay, okay. Rect. What was it? Points indirect. Oh no, that's not it. That's that's very confusing. API. And I need to cast a rect to this. Okay. Draw rectangle rounded. Okay. It's a pretty one-to-one mapping. I'm surprised. Round. Oops. So we first have the color, then the width. The radius. Okay, roundness, I guess. And segment is not customizable. Okay. Do you know draw rectangle rounded lines means like the border of the... Okay, amazing. Temp for a string, you can go like this one, put a format thing, something like this. A bit hackish, but yeah. Why does draw rectangle rounded takes a rectangle and draw rectangle takes ints? Okay, okay. Probably historical color. Okay, okay, I see. Oh, I need to use your converting function. That's maybe not super serious. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, yeah, totally. Totally. It will bite me in the ass later. Uh, what was it about? I don't remember. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, next to each other. Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Wow. Okay. That's all right. Mm-hmm. 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 I see. I see. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. That's okay. But yeah, my function there wouldn't pass that test for sure. That's clear. So now I just included the .c in the sample, so we can check if it compiles. Yeah, I didn't realize it wasn't, so I was, oh wow, we are typing all of this right the first time. Not so much. Oh yeah, and this one, I didn't understand some mix-up. Dun, 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 dun. I think we are closing in. I don't know when you have to go. Ah, we are good. I think we have no compilation or linker anymore. Doesn't mean it works, but... Hey! Okay. Yes. Perfect. I get the log. Let me check. Enter was pressed. Amazing. Oh, so if I do this, yeah, okay. We also see it in the console here. Amazing. Amazing. Yeah, that's great. That's great. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Should be easy enough. Should be easy enough. Yeah, nice. Boop, boop, boop. So if I try to use it further, so let's say I wanted to do something else, maybe open profiler, P, open profile, profiler. Maybe it's not there by default. I need to include it. Include profiler window. Prof window open. Hopla. Yeah, because of my typing at the same time it exploded. It also doesn't let me. I let you finish, and then I try to. Mouse press. Ah, of course, there is no. Okay. Cool. Okay, that should. So nothing yet. Do we have compilation? Yes. Yep. Oh. There is a stray O. Okay. Whoop. Okay, left mouse button. Okay, I'm clicking, it doesn't work. Probably it's me that messed up the emulation thing. But let's see P. Ah. I think it's toggling between open and not open. Oh, that makes sense. Up. Great. Now we can profile our frames. They are very fast. This is our codes. This. Indeed, yeah, I'm curious. Just press it. So let's see if we can fix this. Uh-huh. This weekend, no, but maybe the followings. Ah, shit. No, or maybe. Nice. Actually, maybe tomorrow night could be possible. Yeah, okay. Okay. Yeah. Indeed. 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 Ah, yeah. 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 Mm-hmm. I wonder, like, if it's really that much better than like Git, because maybe if you make a change, you want to test it, and the other person is in the middle of a line, and then it doesn't compile. Yeah, that's indeed. Yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, sure, let's try it. It should be easy. Maybe it won't work for so web, and the name of our game is Ray. It's Raw Mate Demo, I think, or test demo. Demo. No. Game. Okay. Pippity. Game. Ah. Ah, yeah. Okay, I should put like package. Um, Packaging. Hold on. Package. 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 Okay, we got some problems. Maybe. Unknown architecture. Oh, that's some recent changes I did. I suppose we can just bypass that. I'll put a to-do. I don't know what architecture is defined there. Okay. Okay. Uh-huh. Oh no. I see. I see. No, no, I get it. I get it. Do you know what's the define for? Maybe we won't make it work now, but for mscripton. Oh, this one wasn't. If dev. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I need to clean that up, make some per per platform stuff. Um, oh no, no, no. Yes, of course. Then there is this. We can just define it else if defined wasn't. Oops. Else. Then what should it do? It should just evaluate to 1, I think. Or to 0. It's part of the crash handling thing when I jump back to a location. But I forgot to test the web builds. Yeah. Ah, yeah, that would be interesting. Yeah. Where the web browser does what? Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. I looked a little bit for stack traces, and I think there is a way to get some basic stack traces through a JavaScript call, but I didn't implement anything at all. And I don't know for error recovery if it's possible, but that's a good point. I should check. Hmm. Yeah, it's a would be pretty nice, honestly. Uh, mhm. For your blog posts and the tower defense game, did you hit some problems building for the... Okay, cool. Mm-hmm. Right, yeah, I remember. You told me about that. Yeah. Mm-hmm. I try. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. True. Nice. But there is often some weird thing that you didn't anticipate, at least for me. Some, and then for WebAssembly, I used to put a lot of print statements to see where the crash is, which is never. Yeah. 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 Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I see. Like the, okay. Like it doesn't really give you any stack trace. Yeah, okay. Okay. Oh, it worked. Yeah. It compiled, I mean. All right. Finally. Yes. Okay. Maybe this. Hey. Uh, okay, so hold on, I need to get. So this is the link. Maybe you can already copy it in hub forward ports. Then I just need the port itself. Okay, I need to sign in for another extension. Sure. Starting port forwarding. In the terminal, there is a link here. You should be able to click. Okay, 3, 1, yeah. To do it, I went to the bottom left on the status bar, and there is a little antenna. I clicked there. Ah, hold on. Forwarded address. I think maybe you need this. Okay. Can test this also. Tick. Maybe you don't need the port number then. Aha. If I click. Okay. What is it doing? You're about to connect to a developer tunnel at KRZTQWP7. Ah, I think it's working now. Like if you click this link. Yeah, but it's kind of similar. Get a forbidden, okay. Maybe I need to authorize it to you specifically. Oh, I see. Visibility is private on my screen. Port visibility public. You are about to create a publicly forwarded port. Anyone on the internet. Okay, so even viewers of our stream, which are. Ah, there is 2 viewers. Then the viewers, you can try to hack me. Yes. Okay. Yes. Ah, that's the game. If we can call it a game. Ah, awesome. Although the profiler is empty, it seems. Maybe it's disabled on the. But it works. Mm-hmm. Very cool. Very cool. All right, then shall we stop there? Yeah, it was fun. It was a good idea to try this live share and to work on this. I'll stop the stream then.